COSRX Snail Mucin. Serum versus moisturizer. Which one do you actually need? I get asked about these two constantly, so let's compare both of them. The serum, 96% and 92% moisturizer. Here's how I actually use each one and which one actually wins in different situations. So the serum is a lightweight, watery type essence, and you use this right after cleansing. The moisturizer is a thicker cream. You can probably see that, which is meant to go on as the last step. No smell. So how do they compare? How do you compare to actually using both? So texture is the biggest difference. The serum absorbs like instantly, like within a minute. The moisturizer is going to sit on your skin longer and it gives you more of a visual glow. So layering wise, serum first, and then if you have any other things that go on in your routine, and then the moisturizer last. So they actually work together, and I use this one morning and night, and I use this one just at night. So hydration, the serum gives a lighter, dewier type finish. The moisturizer's deeper, and it's a longer lasting, especially if your skin runs dry. I'm pretty oily, so I use very little of this. So you can actually, people always ask if you can actually use both of them together. Like I just said, yes, you can. Serum first and then moisturizer. So which one is better for sensitive skin? Both of them are super gentle, especially the serum. So if you're very reactive, I'd start with this one and then add this one as long as this one's okay. So if I had to pick one of these for daily use, I would grab this one. I love this one. It's super light, just makes your skin feel so nice. But if your skin is on the drier side, the moisturizer is worth adding in that final step. So quick highlights, serum's lightweight, layers under anything. First step. Moisturizer for deeper hydration and that glow. So honestly, together, they're meant to work together. And that's why I love them. I keep them both in my routine. This twice a day, this at night only. So I really like these, and I think you'll like them too.